Okay, what I made here is completely automated composting bin. It takes out all the guesswork out of composting by continuously monitoring the composting bin. It takes corrective action by pushing dry material if the humidity is too high and turning the bin if the temperature is too low.
Okay, so can you show us the various parts of the model? Like, where's the composting bin in this model?
So the composting bin is right here, and the part that throws the dry leaves is over here. Say if the humidity is too high, they'll start throwing dry leaves, and if the temperature is too low, they'll start turning the bin.
Okay, so I mean, when you're saying you're turning the bin, I'm assuming you have some motors mounted in here.
Yeah.
Right, so where are the motors mounted?
So there's one right here and one inside, right under the bin.
So the one under the bin, what does that one do?
It starts turning the bin if the temperature is too low.
Okay, and why do you have this weird fan-like structure up here?
So each time dry leaves will drop in the fan and will turn once or twice.
Okay.
Depending on how much we need.
That's great. So now can you explain a little bit about the electronics? Like, I see a ton of wires and some circuits and so on and so forth. Like, what are all these for?
So over here we have on this Arduino over here.
Okay.
We have a transmitter.
Okay.
That checks the humidity of the
So when you say transmitter, is there like a wire connected between the two sides?
No, they're wireless.
Okay, so that's great.
So this one if the humidity is too high, then it will send a signal, or if the temperature is too low, it will send a signal to the transmitter. It sends it to the receiver.
You just showed me which one is the humidity sensor?
This one. With the two
okay, so 2 prongs. Okay, so how does that one work? Can you show us for a second?
If I take a wet piece of paper,
okay,
say inside there's a there's like a ton of water, but so sense if there's any water and start throwing dry leaves.
So that makes sense. And what is this other weird sensor that you are?
So this is a temperature sensor. If I put this inside, if
won't it short out?
No, this is a waterproof temperature sensor.
So right now, what exactly is it that you're doing?
So start turning the bin to make the temperature a little higher.
So what is that you put it in?
Ice.
Okay, so you are showcasing that there is a bunch of ice, and that is actually turning the bin. Okay, and now what you're trying to do? Oh, it stopped.
Yeah, because after a while the temperature starts to get warm because it's turning. So I was putting it in my hand for now. So.
Okay, so that actually sounds really great. And like, you know, what kind of research did you guys actually do to get this thing done?
Well, we went online. We asked a few people out. We got some ideas, and then we thought of our own. We thought if we automated it, it will help people instead.
Okay. So that's great. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you again.